pretty much the home screen of the drama application. You have quite a lot of drama series which you can watch. As you can see here, you can scroll and look for what you want. You have some double ones as well. Quite a lot which you can watch here. And any one of these that you're interested, all you have to just tap on, say for example this one here, may be interested, it may load up. I'm not sure if it's showing for you guys, but once it's load up, you'll be able to go in the episode section and be able to see all the episodes. You can see here, they're completely free and you won't need any credits to watch this. So once you have pretty much done that, you can be able to see the episodes and so forth. So in the novel section here, you can also read books as well, not just watch drama series, you can read books. So let's say you want to read, let's say for example, this one here, be able to select the books that you want to read, and you'll be able to start reading the books. And some of them may need credits to start reading these books, so do keep that in mind as well. So in the me section, this is pretty much where you get your coins. Some of the episodes you may not need any coins to watch them, but some you may need a few coins to unlock a few episodes. So for this one here, as you can see here, you have a check-in option which you can check in for a 1 month VIP subscription, which is very weird for applications like these. As you can see here, if you log in for 7 days consecutively, you get a 1 month subscription for free. So you may need to check in. And as well, you can tap on the earn reward section here to get free coins as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And as you can see here, if you do want to remove the ads on this application here, you can tap on the go option here and be able to buy their VIP subscription here. So that's really pretty much it. Or you can exchange the coins for a remove ads subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. Very simple drama application here which you can use. And if I missed anything, just let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you out.